Așadar, Sound of English, 3, 2, 1, talent! Și un rând de aplauze furtunoase, Sound of English!
Come on, one last time, yeah? Okay, are you ready? You know your roles? Where to sit? Okay, but where's your daddy? Oh, hello, daddy. Grab your toys, children. Quickly, quickly. But where's my hat? Oh, thank you. Do I look cool? Hey, hands here. Oh.
Hello, children.
Hello, Miss Maria!
You can smile and relax now.
Really?
Of course.
Yay! Are you going to stay with us?
Yes, I am.
Forever?
I hope so.
Yay!
I want to know you better, and I want you to tell me things about you.
I like making new friends.
Wow.
I like playing with my dog.
Sweet. Yes.
I like it.
Wow.
I like dancing. I love ice cream.
Very sweet.
I like playing with my friends.
Yeah.
I like drawing and painting. I like dreaming about becoming a mother.
Wow.
But we can't do many things. Yes.
What do you want me to teach you?
Teach us how to smile. Teach us how to dance. Teach us how to sing. Dance monkey, oh oh. Teach us how to act. Because we all have talent. What have you done to my children?
It's called gentle parenting.
Yes.
You should try this too.
Yes, Daddy.
English!
Sound of English, o colaborare, coproducție între cei de la Britanica și atelierul de actorie cu Ioana Chelaru. Haideți un rând de aplauze pentru ea. Te iubim, Ioana, te iubim din suflet. Așadar, Sound of English, care, haideți să vedem nota juriului. 3, 2, 1 și... Măi, dar am impresia că nu o să facem nicio departajare până la final. Pentru că, da, toate momentele sunt extraordinare. Genia, ai legătura?
Am legătura și dintr-o dată am camera verde plină de talent. Ia să vedem. Numele, repede!
Emma, Ilinca, Diana, Alma, Andrei, Lea, Ayana, Evelin, Matei.
Și înainte să vă aplaude lumea încă o dată tare, 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 hai să ne facem un semn, da? Hai. O